Welcome to the Matrix. Hey, what's up everyone? Happy Dude here, and I've got something very special today. It's the Ducati 996 from the movie The Matrix Reloaded. That's the second movie. And it is very special for me because it's my first motorbike as a model. I normally only do cars. And it's also in scale 112 because it doesn't exist in scale 118. So that's also something special for me. And this is a limited edition with 9,999 pieces. I wonder why they didn't make it with 10,000 pieces or 9,996 like the serial number. Now, this is actually a bit confusing because normally a green Ducati with this model should be in 998. That's the special Ducati, and it's very rare and very valuable in real life. But in the movie it was a 996, but they painted it green because, well, basically everything in the Matrix is green, so that's why they did it. And well, let's unbox it. Okay, it slides out very easily, and the rear of the box is basically the same. Okay. To open this up, you just have to pull. And there we go. This model is absolutely beautiful and very, very detailed. Oops. Okay. Oh yeah, you have to put the two pieces on in order to connect them to the motorbike. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, we can put this down. Okay. Oh, and we also have a little stand here. And yeah, that will fit in here. Oh yes, just like a real motorbike. Cool. It's very stable this way also. Yeah, that's better. So let's examine the details. Do you guys want me to count the 9,999 pieces? That's going to take a while, so let's skip that. Oh, and before I bought this one, I actually bought one in scale 118, as you can see, but I couldn't find a green one, so the plan was that I would paint this one, but I couldn't figure it out how to disassemble it. So yeah, so I just waited, and then all of a sudden this popped up on eBay, so I just bought it. The spring also works on the rear. Do we have a front suspension? No, we don't have that. And this is the rear of the bike. I really wanted this model because, well, I'm not really a motorbike guy, but if I have to choose one that I would like to have in real life, it would be the 996. That's absolutely my favorite motorbike. So that's why I bought this green one, because, well, it's also in one of my favorite movies of all time. And this is officially licensed. So Oh, the paint job is absolutely beautiful. It's actually metallic. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Absolutely beautiful. You have to be a bit careful so you don't break this off. So that slides in, and then we can put that onto the bike. Yeah, it's on. Yeah. You don't hear a click, it just slides in. Yeah, and that's it. And it looks absolutely beautiful. The difference between scale 118 and scale 112, it's quite a difference. But for a scale 118, it's pretty decent. This is from the brand Majesto. It's also a lot lighter, and this is all plastic on this model. This one has a lot of metal parts, like the fuel tank, and the seat is real leather, and you can even push it in. See, that's how realistic this model is. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I got the little bike from its stand so you can see the difference a little bit better. As you can see, that's quite a big difference. The scale 118 is 10.5 centimeters long, and the scale 112 is 17 centimeters long. Okay, let's measure the weight difference. This one weighs 1.8 ounce or 52 gram. And this one weighs, oh wow, 300 gram or 10.5 ounce. Also a big difference. Once you zoom in and start to pay attention to all the details, you can clearly see that, yeah, this has a lot more details. I mean, this has all the engine components, and you can also see them. This doesn't have that. And also, when you look at this here, and then this, it even has the little reservoir for the brake fluid, and even the little cables for the clutch and the brakes, and the mirrors are also real. Wow. Oh wow, this also has suspension action in the rear. Cool. I'm really happy I found this. And I paid 150 euros for it. Pretty expensive, but yeah, it's pretty detailed, as you can see. The tires are made from a very soft rubber, so it's very grippy. Oh, you can even take them off if you want to do that. Also a very detailed brake caliper and disc brake. Yeah, very beautiful paint job. And same for the rear tire. It's also made from the same rubber. The chain doesn't move with the wheel as expected. That's very hard to do. A very complicated exhaust. And the engine cover is also made out of metal, but I don't know if it would be made out of metal on the real bike. I don't believe so. I believe they are all made from plastic for weight reduction. So if anyone has this bike in real life, please let me know if it's made from metal or plastic, or maybe it is on this special edition. I don't know. Anyway, I really like this model. Yeah, this will be a fine addition to my collection.